Who's the leader of the club that's made for you and me?
Why, that's me, the Canadien Mickey Mouse. Ha ha ha! Anyhow, today was swap meet, it was. Golly! Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! Did I have some fun! Ha ha ha! There was a lot of people. Jiminy cricket. And there was so many toys. Toys. Wonderful toys. Golly! And I bought some things, I did. Ha ha! I traded some things. I bought, and then I bought. Jiminy cricket, I did. Ha ha ha! And there were so many locals. There were some new people around that went oot and a boot. He went oot and a boot to James at James Old Toys today at the swap meet. And boy, oh boy, he had so much fun. Ha ha ha! Why not take a look-see and see for yourself? Ooh, shiny. Some more action figure display cases. Gee, golly gosh. And look, some more Transformers and perhaps some Gobots. And yes, Gobots are better than Transformers. Gee, golly gosh, they are. Ha ha ha! It's so super cool. Some dollies and other 12 inches. Gee whiz, what fun. And my fave, Motu of Motunits. Joe Amato, some Motui stuff here. Jiminy cricket. Awesome. Oh. Motu of Motunits. Ooh, creaky. Motu of Motunits. Golly, how cool is this? Oh boy, Motu of Motunits. Wow, it's so mouse-erific. Oh boy, fun. Motu of Motunits. It's a Star Wars explosion! Come get Star Wars, plenty for all. All of your Star Wars wants, needs, on these tables. Step right up, Wow, wait folks, it's really a Star Wars explosion. A bigger explosion than Alderaan. Ha ha ha! Migs, Jar Jar, Migs, I buy this for you, but monies. You know how cheap I am, ha ha! It's so super cool. Ooh, creaky. Oh boy. Table 13, holy mouseketeers. This is Andrew Burnett's tables. That's my fellow Mickey Mouseketeer, Andrew Burnett. Let's see what he got, Fun. Wow, wait, Ghostbusters. I got them in a swap, I did. They're now mine. A Ken dolly? Andrew? Well, we all have hobbies. Fun. Wow, it's so mouse-erific. That is a sweet turtley turtle it is. This all belongs to Andrew. Ha ha! Fun. Awesome, oh! Wow, wait, Ghostbusters. I got them in a swap, I did. They're now mine. Golly! Jiminy cricket. Fun. Holy mouseketeers. Andrew Burnett's tables. gosh, with another table with turtles. That's right, turtleness of turtles. Ha ha ha! Wow, wait. Ooh, creaky. Oh boy. I spot some Motui Motu and a little bit of Ghostbusters. It's so super cool. Jiminy Cricket. And look, people, look, there's some Ghostbusters busting makes me feel good. Ha ha ha, it does. Ha ha ha. Nathan Lawson, Ooh, shiny. A whole bunch of Star Wars and turtles. Some turtles of turtleness. Ha ha! Holy mouse kitty, it's a Gobot. It's a Gobot, and Gobots are better. They are better than Transformers. Yes, they are. Ha ha ha! Gee, golly gosh. Turtles, that's right. Turtleness of turtles. Ha ha ha! Turtleness of turtles. Oh boy. I would buy this mummy. I already own 6. Ha ha! Bustin' makes me feel good. Ha ha ha! Fun. Wow, it's so mouse-orific. A whole bunch of Star Wars. Turtleness of turtles. Wow, it's so mouse-orific. Gee, golly gosh. Fun. Look. Fun. Gee, golly gosh. Some Motunus animation cells. Gee, golly gosh. Odds and ends on these tables. Ha ha ha! Odds and ends on these tables. Ha ha ha! Wow, it's so mouse-orific. Gee, golly gosh, you can now sleep with Skeletor tonight. Ha ha ha! Sleeping with Skeletor. What fun. And look, people, look! It's the Martians! Run for your life! Ha ha ha! The Martians have landed! Take me to your leader! Ooh, creaky! I bought that, I did! Ha ha ha! A lot of Martians? The Martians have landed! Take me to your leader! Ooh, creaky! A ton of Transformers! I still say Gobots are better than Transformers. They are better! Ha ha ha! A ton of Transformers! Look! Fun! Next up is Gummy Bear Nathan Lawson Cables, Jiminy Cricket. A ton of Star Wars, cheap. Gee golly gosh, folks, if you want anything cheap on Nathan Lawson's tables, just tell him the Canadien Mickey Mouse sent you. Why, that's me! Ha ha ha! Cheap. Ooh, creaky! It's so super cool. cheep, 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 cheep. Look, look. Fun, 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 fun.
Dashing and daring, courageous and caring, faithful and friendly, he is Nathan Lawson.
Gee, golly gosh. Star Trek, what fun, 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 fun. Wow, wow, it's so mouse-orific. Ooh, creaky. It's so super, super cool. Paul Sultana, it's me, the Canadien Mickey Mouse. You know me. Let's take a look at Paul's tables. Awesome. Oh, Jiminy Cricket. Golly. Awesome, awesome. Oh. Let's take a look at Paul's tables. Look, look. Fun, 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 fun. Jiminy Cricket. Golly. It's Prince Adam on his sled just riding into Skeletor. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! It's so super, super cool. Ooh, creaky. Wowee! E.T. You too can get fingered with E.T. just like Elliot. Let's take a look at Paul's tables. It's so super, super cool. Thank you for watching. Paul Sultana does a lot of Facebook live video auctions he does. So if you wish to see more, see him on his auctions. Ha ha! King Kong, the mighty Kong. James buddy, did you see these? The mighty King Kong. Did you buy them? I know you do, Kong. Joe's, the real American hero. And knowing is half the battle. Ha ha ha! It's a super duper Nintendo game case. Wowee!
Num num. Num num.
Empty toy case. Edward cut him out of his case. Steph Tranter, it's me, the Canadien Mickey Mouse. You know me. Gee whiz, peoples. This is Steph, and Steph's Corner treasure it is. It's so super, super cool. Ooh, creaky. Buy some stuff from Treasure Corner. Some fun. Disney Explosion with Steph's Corner treasure. Jiminy Cricket, golly. Jiminy Cricket, wow, it's so mouse-orific. I got some treasures from here, I did. Ha ha ha! Buy some stuff from Treasure Corner. Some fun. Ha ha ha! Golly, how cool is this? Disney Explosion with Steph's Corner treasure. Thank you for watching Steph and Steph's Corner of Treasure. For more toys, take a look at our Facebook page. There's some awesome, oh mouse-orific toys.
The day of parting now draws near. Back home to school and scattered far.
Made you look.
We have fun and lots of laughs because you're Mickey Mouse.
Hello people, it's me, Normal J, the guy that just did all the video editing and redubbing. I would like to thank everyone that went to James' Old Toys Swap Meet. I can't wait to see everyone on the next one, and you betcha I'll do some filming and redubbing. Isn't that just mouse-orific? And remember, I'm normal.